In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule staff in Square 2026. First, open your Square dashboard in a web browser and sign in. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard where you can manage your business. Look to the left-hand side of the screen. This is your navigation panel. We're going to use it to get into the scheduling tools. From the left panel, click Staff. This is where all team-related features live. Next, choose Scheduling. This brings you into Square's scheduling workspace, where you can build and manage shifts. Then select Schedule to open the calendar view where you'll actually add shifts. At the top of the schedule, you'll see a menu that typically shows all team members. Click that to filter who appears on the calendar. If you're scheduling for a specific person, select their name so you're only seeing their row. This helps avoid mixing up shifts and makes it easier to focus. Now you're ready to create the schedule. Decide which day you want to start with on the calendar. Hover your mouse over that day in the team members row and you'll see a plus button appear. Click the plus to add a new shift. A shift details panel will open. Start by setting the start date. This is the calendar date when the shift will begin. Right below that, add the start time. Be mindful of AM and PM to ensure the shift starts exactly when you intend. Next, set the end date. For most shifts, this will be the same as the start date unless the shift crosses midnight. Then add the end time to define when the shift finishes. As you fill these in, think about your coverage needs for the day, any open hours you must meet, and whether this shift aligns with the rest of your team's schedule. When the details look correct, click Save. Your new shift will appear on the calendar for that team member. If you need to make an adjustment, you can click the shift again to edit it. Repeat the process for additional days or different team members, using the top filter to switch who you're scheduling. A couple of quick tips as you work. Keep an eye on overlapping times to prevent double booking someone. It's easy to miss when schedules get busy. Also, consistent start and end times across similar roles can make future scheduling faster, because you'll recognize patterns at a glance. That's it. You've navigated to staff, opened scheduling, filtered your view, and created a shift by setting the start and end dates and times, then saving. Follow the same flow to build out the rest of your week or month.